Hello everyone, welcome back to English learning session with me Mr. Adi, and today we are going to discuss for the workbook page 108. Well, actually there are 4 parts in this exercise, but for the first part you must remember the song, so please play the recording of this song, or you can take a look for the student's book page 108, and then after that just do this part, complete the words from the song to find where grandma was. Okay, so I think you can do it by yourself. And then for part 2, listen and write the numbers. Okay, so I will read the sentences or read the complete sentences, and then you must write down the number on the box. Okay, are you ready? Alright, let's check it out. Number 1. Grandma was standing next to Jimmy at the rail of a ship. Both were looking out at the sea. When Jimmy turned around, Grandma was not there anymore. Jimmy thinks his grandma might be inside a whale. Jimmy ran to the telescope to check where Grandma was. The captain dropped the anchor. Some sailors jumped into the water to look for Grandma. Suddenly, Grandma was standing next to Jimmy. She asked, "What's all the fuss about?" Okay, one more time. Grandma was standing next to Jimmy at the rail of a ship. Both were looking out at the sea. When Jimmy turned around, Grandma was not there anymore. Jimmy thinks his grandma might be inside a whale. Jimmy ran to the telescope to check where Grandma was. The captain dropped the anchor. Some sailors jumped into the water to look for Grandma. Suddenly, Grandma was standing next to Jimmy. She asked, "What's all the fuss about?" Well, that's all for the part 2, for the exercise part 2, and then please write down the number inside the box. And for the next part, you must watch for the next video. Okay, thank you for your attention and have a nice day.